back to Agel TV. I'm Sam Higginson, and alongside me, my co-host, Mr. Zach Bradley.
Sam, family, and co-workers, whoever it may be.
And today, we've actually brought into the studio our co-CEO, Mr. Jeremiah Bradley, to talk exactly about some of those things that we're doing on the back end so that you can go out and have success in this business. Here we are with co-CEO, Mr. Jeremiah Bradley. Jeremiah, thanks for taking some time out of your busy schedule to join us here on Agel TV. Welcome.
Thanks for having me, guys. And Jeremiah, we've talked about how important it is to make the process as easy as possible for the team members so they can go and consume our product and recommend that product and not have to worry about anything else. Why don't you take us through the process of what we do as a company to help them to be successful?
Well, thanks, Zach and Sam. For us, it's extremely important that product remains the #1 focus of our team members. They have their responsibility. We do our side of things behind the scenes, really. This morning, I had the opportunity to step by step from buying the raw materials until that product arrives at our warehouse.
COO of Agel, he's the guy that oversees all of the operations. He's making sure that we've got the right product in the right place at the right time. Goes through all this stuff. You work hand in hand with the manufacturer down here. We've got green running back here. How much green can we run in one day on that line?
We can run 40,000 pouches in 12 hours or 80,000 pouches in 24.
So we work hand in hand with them and build a specification. Agel has a specification, IFP has a specification. We work hand in hand. While they're doing their micro testing and any kind of R&D testing, we're actually doubling that and doing that on our side too. And we marry those tests up to make sure that we both are coming into spec with the product.
Okay, so every product that reaches the doorstep of our team members has been checked by your staff and checked by your staff.
Correct.
So it's double checked.
Double checked. So once your batch is complete, product is then put into a tote and taken into here. Product is then transferred into the pasteurizer where it's heated to 180, 185 degrees.
So it's got temperature checks two times. Pasteurizer through the tube, right into the
hopper.
Okay.
Every 30 minutes, 10 packets are taken off the line and put into what we call our burst test. It's another quality check that we put into place to ensure that seals of the packets are intact. Every seal, every 30 minutes.
So all of this green, which later on, once it gets through all the quality and assurance tests.
Air pressure, correct.
Okay, so in this part of the warehouse is where the incoming freight comes from our manufacturer. So every few hours the manufacturer delivers the product here. We do a quick QA check and then we move it over to the other side of the warehouse once it's all been checked out.
All right, how many warehouses do we have like this that are receiving and shipping product out?
We have 21 warehouses around the world.
21.
Yep. Over here is where they're working to do, they're filling the orders now.
So right now, these guys come in 5 days a week and pick and pack orders.
Correct.
They have to prepare because we've got our largest days of the week are the days of auto ships.
The products are coming in, we stage them, we prepare them, and later that day they're right back out on trucks or ocean containers going to our different markets around the country.
All right, so team member places an order yesterday.
Well, we filled the order and we place it on the scale, scan it in, and that automatically brings up the address. For instance, this one is going to Daniel Whited,
Colorado.
Print out the label, stick it on the box, and tape it up, and it's on its way to Colorado.
All right. Daniel Whited coming to you. Good deal. Well, that's why it's so simple. Team member places an order, and we do the rest of the work, and it just arrives at their door.
Yep.
Great. All right. Thanks, guys.
Thank you again, Jeremiah. It was a very insightful piece. Thanks for being on the show with us.